it happens. We sign up for Quora, we get on Quora, and we think we're going to get lots of great ideas and information and knowledge and resources, and then we discover it's not for us. And so, rather than simply ignore it, log out of it from your web browser, or take the app off your phone, you decide it is such a big mistake for you to be on Quora that you don't want to just simply ignore it, close it on the web browser, and delete the app on your iPhone. You want to cancel your account. So then you set off on this journey to figure out how to cancel your account. And I'm going to show you how to do that on the desktop web browser and on the cell phone app. You ready? Here goes. First of all, you have to be logged into Quora in order for you to cancel your Quora account. So, if you come over here and you click on the little people icon and you don't see your name, you're not logged into Quora and you cannot cancel, or it's actually called delete, your account. So first of all, make sure you're logged into the account. And if you don't know how to do that, that's a conversation for another video. Now, once you're logged into your Quora account, in this context on a web browser, you got to come all the way down here to settings. Not log out, but to settings. Click on settings. Now you're saying, all right, I'm looking at my account. Where's the delete button? It's not there. Is it under subscriptions and billing? No, it's not there. Where it is under privacy at the bottom of the screen. And here's where you can deactivate your account, basically disable it for a short period of time. You can come back into it later on, or delete your account and make it go away permanently. So when you click on delete, you got to enter in your password. Let me see if I can remember my password. And then you can click done. And when you click done, delete account. Deleting your account makes your content and profile permanently inaccessible to other Quora users. Bye-bye account. Now, for those of you who need it, hang on. I'm going to show you how to do this in the mobile app. On the mobile app, in this case on my iPhone, how do you get rid of, delete your Quora account? You click on your profile picture in the upper left-hand corner, and then you look here. Where is it? It's not there. It's not there. Is it under the three dots? No. Actually, under the three dots is log out, but there's no delete or cancel account there. It's under settings on the left-hand side. Click on settings. Once I click on settings, again, I showed you on the web browser, it's under privacy. Under privacy, all the way at the bottom, there it is. Remember, deactivate basically turns it off for right now, lets you get back into it. The no activity and your account won't be seen. But delete, boom, is how you get rid of your account permanently. You got to put your password back in, hit done, and now it's going to ask me, do I want to delete my account? And I can delete it or cancel it. That is how you delete your Quora account on mobile app. I hope this is helpful for you.